Hello, welcome to another Fingernail Fixer video. In this video, we're going to show removal of the new C&D Shellac Luxe. For this, you're going to need your remover wraps and some Awfully Fast. It's important that the remover wrap is thoroughly saturated with remover. Then we're going to hold the folded edge of the wrap facing towards you. Place the finger so that you'll have enough remover wrap left over to wrap around the free edge. Fold it back. Fold the wrap over and pinch it tight along the sides. Go ahead and wrap around the short edge of the wrap, tucking it up underneath. Then pull the long edge of the wrap around. Use your thumb to pull that side tight as you push against the wrap on the finger so that you get a nice snug fit with the wrap. Then you want to go ahead and pinch around the edges to be sure it's fully in contact with the free edge of the finger and that you've got it laid down nice and snug in those ends. You also want to avoid letting the client tap the nails like this because that will drain the Awfully Fast right out of the remover wrap. We're going to go ahead and wrap 3 nails for the video today because the C&D Shellac Luxe offers a couple different ways to gently remove it. And by showing you all 3, you can play around and pick your favorite. Just a reminder for the wrap, the folded edge faces you. Lay it down so that you can get over the free edge. Because remember, we sealed that edge, so we want to be sure that we get a nice clean removal. Pinch the sides so that you have a nice snug fit. Wrap the small side around and then come up underneath and make sure you're tucking that small side. Wrap the longer side around and use 2 fingers on the finger while using your thumb to pull the wrap nice and tight. Then bring this around and pinch that end as well as the tip to be sure you have a nice snug fit. Notice that doesn't have triangle points on the end. It's literally rounded around the finger to get a good snug fit. It's also very important that your cotton pad is saturated. An easy way to tell that it's saturated, notice the slight differentiation in color from where the pad is wet to where the pad is dry. You want to be sure that it is fully saturated so you get that full, complete color differentiation on the pad. Folded edge towards you. Enough of the cotton pad that it will wrap around the end. Fold it over and crease your remover wrap. Pinch the sides to get a nice snug fit. Wrap your short edge around, making sure you're really tucking that short edge around the finger tight, and then bring the long edge around, using those 2 fingers to hold it against the finger, using your thumb to pull the wrap tight, and then bringing that long edge the rest of the way around. Before I pinch the end, can you see how that's already a nice snug fit? And then we're going to come in and finish pinching the end to be sure that I've got a good tight fit on that wrap. Keep in mind that this is going to work for the 60-second removal, incorporating the time that it would take to wrap it in all 10 wraps. So let's hang out for just a few seconds and talk about this as if we were taking the time to wrap the nails in all 10 wraps. I'm going to go ahead and spin these over and turn them this way so that you can see how snug the wraps are against the fingers. Also a reminder, have the clients lay the hands flat or place the hands flat so that they're not tipping the fingers forward, because if they tip the fingers forward and tap them against the table or the table towel, you're going to find that it drains the Awfully Fast out of the wraps and makes your removal less consistent. So let's go ahead and place that hand down, letting it hang out. And we want that to be a nice, clean removal. So we're going to have them relax. Maybe you put a warm towel over the top of the hands. Maybe you just place your hands over the top of the hands, and make sure that they're sitting nice and still for that 60 seconds so that we have an effective 60-second removal. Let's go ahead and count the 60 seconds together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow, that's really tedious. I don't know if we want to sit here and count, but let's hang out for the 60 seconds. We definitely want to make sure that you are setting a timer of some sort in the salon, whether it's your cell phone or if you have a specific small digital timer. It's important that you be sure to go ahead and give it the full 1 minute. So applying the remover wraps to all 10 nails, making sure they're fully saturated, and then working your way back around after you have a timer set for the full 1 minute. Because if you're not setting that timer, chances are good that you're going to maybe assume that it's already been a minute and a minute hasn't quite fully gone past. Now that we are about at the 60 seconds, let's look at our options for that removal. Traditionally, we have the orange wood stick option. With the C&D Shellac Luxe, you could also try a dried out sponge, or you could try a manicure brush that has been trimmed to have nice short bristles. Those nice short bristles will be a little stiffer because they're short, and that could give you a little more success in getting the Luxe off if you choose to use that bristle method. Let's try all 3 methods so that you can see what they look like. It's now definitely been a full 60 seconds. Pinch and massage, then gently twist to start to remove the Luxe. Use a cotton pad with your Awfully Fast to clean the nail. If there are any stubborn spots left, you could, if you want to, use an orange wood stick to just gently slide those stubborn spots up and off the nail. Then come in and scrub the nail clean with your Awfully Fast and a pad so that there's no nail damage from that removal. Your next option is the dried sponge. Massage, twist, and pull. Then using the dried sponge, you can knock any remaining C&D Shellac Luxe off the nail. Come in with your saturated cotton pad and scrub the nail clean, making sure that there is no nail damage. Your next option is the manicure brush with the trimmed bristles so that they're nice and stiff. Press, massage, and twist. Then using those shortened bristles of the manicure brush, gently brush any remaining Luxe off the nail. Come in with your cotton pad to fully scrub it clean, and notice that you have no nail damage. So that is your C&D Shellac Luxe removal with no nail damage in 60 seconds. Hope this helps and you have fun removing in the salon.